Hi, this is Anna Manes from the Manes Group at Coldwell Banker. I hope you enjoy my blog today. There's some great tips in there on getting your home ready to list the spring market, how to price it right, and how to hire the right agent. I'm including a few questions that you can ask your realtor to know what kind of experience they have, what kind of market knowledge do they have, how long have they been in the business. You really want to qualify them, because you don't want someone listing your home and pushing you to accept the first offer that comes along. You want someone that has great marketing experience. You want to cast a wide net to get the best results, because you want to expose it to a large pool of buyers, because they're certainly out there, and you want to get the best price for your home. So you don't want someone pushing you to accept the first offer that comes along, because that might not always be the best offer. So you want someone that has a great experience in marketing, not only locally, but nationally and internationally, because you don't know where this buyer is coming from. My name is Anna Manes, Coldwell Banker. My number is 201-247-6341, and I'm here to help.